Number 1. Fiberglass Claw Hammer. Made with a high-strength fiberglass handle and high-carbon steel, this tool will help you get the job done with ease and ultimate precision. With the comfort grip handle and curved claw design, this hammer is the perfect tool for construction, minor maintenances, building, woodwork, home repair, extracting or removing nails, hanging household items, and home DIY projects.
Number 2. WorkPro Claw Hammer, 20 ounces. Constructed from one-piece drop-forged steel for maximum strength and durability. Air cushion handle with textured surface offers a comfortable grip, non-slip. The AirTech shock control system absorbs strike shock and vibration, transferring less shock and vibration than wood handle. Magnetic nail starter for one-handed nail setting to prevent thumb injuries and to take nails conveniently and easily. Beautifully polished and solid head for striking, rim tempered reduces incidence of chipping or spalling. Size, 20 ounces.
Number 3. Claw hammer with fiberglass handle, 16 ounces. Forged hardened steel head with polished smooth face. Fiberglass handle with shock-absorbing design. Contoured fiberglass handle provides a comfortable grip and dampens strike vibration, reducing stress on your body. Balanced weight for comfortable use on most general-purpose jobs. Number 4. Vaughn 15-inch multifunction demolition tool. Tear it up. Tear it out. Tile, wood, drywall, glass, plaster, nails. The Vaughn Rage 15-inch demolition tool quickly dispatches whatever stands between you and a finished job. And you'll get the job done faster and easier, since the Rage replaces a hammer, pry bar, and nail puller in one brutally effective tool. Pick it up and feel the balance and heft. It weighs just 2.5 pounds, with strategic weight placement for maximum momentum with minimum effort. The I-beam frame is forged from high-carbon steel for maximum stiffness and force transfer. The finished tool is heat-treated, then powder-coated and polished for lasting good looks. The double injection handle features a patented asymmetrical shape for maximum comfort and control. So you can put the hurt on everything but you. Number 5. Fiskars ISOCore 20-ounce general use hammer. Ideal for driving nails for job sites and around the house tasks. Includes magnetic nail starter groove to allow to start nails with one hand. Features patented ISOCore shock control system that absorbs strike shock and vibration to reduce the punishment your body takes, transferring 4 times less shock and vibration than wood handles. Soft grip handle is designed to fit the palm of hand and handle flares to help keep hammer firmly in hand when in use. Extended grip allows more control for precise strikes. Steel welded head is optimized for balance, weight, and durability with a rust-resistant coating. Rib claw pulls nails quickly and easily. Overall length, 15.5 inches. Weight, 20 ounces.